I might be a bit selfish when you're way too humble. Might be overzealous, getting you in trouble. 'Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster, or just the best you've ever had. Or just the best you've ever had. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day. Sunshine, I've been waiting. Sunshine, why you playing with my head all the time? You go way out of line. Sunshine, don't keep me waiting. Show me affection, attention, and care. Losing the tension, and baby, I swear I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. I'll never bring you sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow, forever now. Spotlight from my cell phone, sounds like it's your ringtone.
If you guys like the flatness of this look, I had to go through my hair, section it off, and put gel on each section. Like I didn't even think it was gonna take all of that, but I'm just happy my hair got into the ponytail. Okay, I think what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and do my edges. I'm about to go in with this little comb here.
Losing the tension, and baby, I swear I'll give you my tomorrow, forever and now. I'll never bring you sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. Chills, yeah, I can chills when you come. Wanna give you my heart, so don't you let me down.
Y'all know my edges are barely hanging on, so I really have to do this dip. So I got this perfect edges black edge control, and I'm basically just gonna go for my little white spots on my edges to make it, you know, to catfish people basically. Nobody really got edges, they just pretend they got
sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the.
I'm gonna take the same styling gel here, and it really makes my hair curl up, so I kind of want my little two pieces on the side. I don't think they're gonna stay straight. Use this pink oil sheen spray on my head because I just feel like my hair is going to dry out with all this edge control in it. And then I'm also going to go ahead and wrap my edges with this.
Leave me when I say I miss you so. It seems like.
So today I'm going to be using this Organique, it's like the little $10 pack of straight hair. It's 24 inches. I think I'm going to use just one pack. I got two packs just in case, but I'm just going to be using this one pack for now.
I believe it's true. You're all for someone new. I've never felt this too.
You guys are also going to need your hair glue.
Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that I've had enough for you.
So the reason why I added extra hair to my hair up here and wrapped it around was so that when I glue the ponytail around, it won't get on my real hair. I'm going to start at the tip up here, and then I'm going to work my way around, going down, and then I'll finish off the rest of the track on here. And it'll look a lot more easy once you guys see me do it.
Like you got a place to be, never felt this stupid thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that I've had enough for you. I've had enough of you. You're just too much. I'm way too good for you. You're just a bluff. I'm so fed up with you. It's bad enough that I'm way too good for you. You better believe it's true. You're all for someone new. I've never felt this stupid thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that I've had enough for you. I believe it's true. You're all for someone new. I've never felt this stupid thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that I've had enough for you.
So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. No, these crutches are distracting. I ended up fracturing my right foot, so it's kind of hard for me to get video ideas out right now. I will continue to keep putting out content for you guys no matter what condition I'm in, because I love what I do. Other than that, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.
I might be a bit selfish when you're way too humble. Might be overzealous, getting you in trouble. 'Cause